is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be starting the wrap on this Ford Raptor that we have in shop. Just to begin with, you guys can see the truck is white. That means a lot needs to come off. Whoa, why is my camera not focusing? There we go. Anyways, as you guys can see, the truck is white, which actually means we're going to be doing a lot of removal on this truck. Pretty much the whole front end of the truck will end up getting removed. All the fender flares, the vents, the mirrors, all of the door handles. The door handles are going to be lovely to wrap, you guys can see. They're two-piece. And then as far as the bed, we will end up pulling off the bed as well. If you guys look back here, there's actually a lot of white to eliminate. Even if we just wrap it into here, you're still gonna see all of the white. Anyways, our goal is to eliminate as much white as possible. So we're going to be wrapping the Raptor in this color. This is a gloss fairy orange made by 3M. Now we actually ended up waiting a month for this color to come in. The truck was actually in shop about a month ago. The customer had to come back and pick it up just because the color was back ordered. But anyways, enough of me talking. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up. From there, let's go ahead and start the Raptor. Alright guys, so welcome back to day 2 on wrapping the Raptor. Yesterday we left off with fully prepping it, getting ready to go. But you guys can see we fully tore this truck apart. Literally the whole front end's taken apart. Door handles, the bed we ended up removing as well. If you guys look, it is pulled back. This just gives us literally enough coverage to go ahead and fully cover everything. We're going to end up wrapping all the way back here as well. Just so that this way when the bed is fully pushed forward, it just fully eliminates all of the white. But as far as that being said, pretty much just going to go ahead and just do one final wipe down on the fender, cut everything out, and that being said, let's get it. Alright guys, so I just finished up the fender to the Raptor, you guys can see. This color is actually pretty dope. The only downfall is that when working with like 3M or Avery, you guys can obviously see the orange peel that it has. Compared to Innospec, Innospec is absolutely killing the game with the gloss finish, but you guys can see fender came out amazing. There is one seam for the top because it does go like in there, but other than that, yeah. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and hop straight onto the passenger door. So I'm going to go and do one final wipe down. You guys can see I did mask off the rubber trim just to go ahead and ensure I don't cut it. But that being said, let's get it done. Alright guys, so I just finished up the door. Everything looks super good. I'm actually digging the color on this. Spiders. Saul is over here on the driver's side, you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and actually wrap the back door just to the passenger side so this way we can get the doors done. Once the doors are done, actually we're just going to go and hop onto the quarter panel and then the bed. So I'm thinking that we're just going to finish up the whole side, whatever Saul finishes up on that side as well, and then we'll come back tomorrow and pretty much finish this up. All right guys, so welcome back to day 4 on the Raptors. You guys can see the Raptor is all put back together, fully wrapped, pretty much ready to go. We have Sal over here, he's just cleaning up the S580. Now we picked up the S580 a few days ago from my boys over at Stars in the Ceilings. We actually ended up having the stars done on this car as well. Everything came out super, super good. But as far as the Raptor, this truck came out amazing. If you guys really look at it, this truck used to be white and it's pretty much just fully wrapped. You guys look inside here, everything's wrapped on the inside. But there's literally no white existing except for like underneath this area. But besides that, yeah, this truck looks honestly amazing. We're going to be delivering this one actually out to San Diego later today. But yeah, just going to go ahead and get some quick cinematics for you guys. Do one more walk around on the truck and pretty much that's about it.